Turn yourself into an awesome digital avatar like this.
You guys have been asking, so here's the exact process on how to make this happen.
We'll use 3 AI tools, and this should take you around 15 to 20 minutes. Let's dive in. Let's create the avatar design. Go to Midjourney and upload a picture of yourself, then copy the image address. Now, type /imagine and paste your image address. Describe how you would like your digital clone to look like in as much detail as possible. Also, choose an art style. For example, a 25-year-old guy with brown hair, blue eyes, and a short beard, seated at a desk using a 3D Pixar animated style. Once you are happy with your avatar, download your image and head over to 11 Labs, where we'll clone your voice. Record a 1-minute audio clip of yourself talking. You can do this on your phone's own audio recording app like Voice Memos. If you don't know what to say, here's a random script I just generated for you. Go to Voice Lab. Click on Add Cloned Voice and then on Instant Voice Cloning. Name your voice and upload your audio here, then click on Add Voice. Go to Speech Synthesis. Select your voice and type in whatever you want your new avatar to say. Click Generate and download your audio file. Now animating your avatar. Head over to DID and create a new avatar by uploading your avatar image and your audio file. Click on Create Video.
And there you have it. Your very own digital clone you can use to create awesome videos like this one.